10 Best 2-ingredient face masks for clear, glowing, and healthy skin. Who doesn't love a good DIY beauty treatment, especially when it requires just 2 simple ingredients? If you're on a quest for clear, glowing, and healthy skin without breaking the bank, look no further. These 10 2-ingredient face masks are easy to make and packed with skin-loving nutrients that will leave your complexion radiant and refreshed. 1. Honey and yogurt mask. Mix equal parts honey and plain yogurt for a moisturizing and exfoliating mask that soothes irritation and promotes a radiant glow. 2. Oatmeal and banana mask. Mash up a ripe banana and mix it with ground oatmeal for a calming and nourishing mask that hydrates and softens the skin. 3. Turmeric and coconut oil mask. Combine turmeric powder with coconut oil for an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial mask that fights acne and brightens dull skin. 4. Avocado and honey mask. Mash half an avocado and mix it with honey for a hydrating and antioxidant-rich mask that rejuvenates and nourishes dry skin. 5. Cucumber and aloe vera mask. Blend cucumber slices with aloe vera gel for a cooling and soothing mask that reduces inflammation and hydrates the skin. 6. Lemon and sugar scrub. Mix lemon juice with granulated sugar for an exfoliating and brightening scrub that removes dead skin cells and promotes a more even skin tone. 7. Greek yogurt and turmeric mask. Mix Greek yogurt with turmeric powder for a clarifying and antibacterial mask that reduces redness and calms acne-prone skin. 8. Papaya and honey mask. Mash ripe papaya and mix it with honey for a gently exfoliating and hydrating mask that brightens and revitalizes dull skin. 9. Coconut oil and coffee scrub. Combine coconut oil with coffee grounds for an invigorating and antioxidant-rich scrub that improves circulation and smooths the skin's texture. 10. Green tea and honey mask. Brew green tea and mix it with honey for a detoxifying and antioxidant-packed mask that reduces inflammation and protects against environmental damage. Before applying any of these masks, it's important to do a patch test to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions to the ingredients.